Hi everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and thank you for joining us in today's video. So today we're going to be discussing pressure washing versus DOFF. Now I hope you all know what a pressure washer is, and then we'll discuss later a little bit more about what DOFF is. So everybody knows and loves a little bit of pressure washing. I'm sure you've been watching on TikTok Clean. Everybody loves a little bit of pressure washing. So the pros for pressure washing. So most homeowners in the garage have probably got themselves a little electric pressure washer. It's effective on most surfaces. It's easy to use. It's a plug and play, and they are really widely available for you to either buy or even to rent through some hire companies. Now, by using a pressure washer in the wrong hands, you can actually cause underlying damage to the surface by using high pressure. So let's say you've got a rendered house and you think, that's fine, I can clean that myself. By using a high pressure, you're actually going to damage the surface further. So now we're going to talk about DOFF. So DOFF is a nebulous steam cleaning system by a company called Stone Health, based in Dursley in Gloucestershire. So it's widely used by English Heritage, and it's approved by English Heritage for very delicate stone cleaning. So it can clean tough stains. We can use it on graffiti. We can dial it down to about 900 psi as opposed to 3,000 to 4,000 psi on a petrol pressure washer. So it's perfect for that historic building element. Because it only uses 4 litres of water, it's actually classed as environmentally friendly with the way that we can reduce that water. Now, the only con against a DOFF system is that it comes in 2 parts and it is very, very heavy to move around. We can generally use the client's electric point, so there's going to be no noisy generator or petrol pressure washer running. So the question is back to you, what do you think would be best? Why not comment, drop us a call, message us. You can actually now WhatsApp us from our website, which is alfrescoec.co.uk, or you can call the office on 0333 567 2727. Thanks for watching today.